Hello, I'm Steve Wells in Houston, Texas. Many congratulations to A9 and thank you for sending your news crew here to Houston, Texas. As Christians, we believe that all people should be able to live together in peace. We seek the brotherhood and the sisterhood of people around the world and believe that God is making one family of all the earth. All people will live safely, when all children will have a home and something to eat, where schools will be available to all people, and where people of faith stand arm in arm, hand in hand, seeking God's. Thank you for to you today.